Building modern machines, devices, cars, or even bicycles requires a complex manufacturing supply chain. You constantly need to vet and maintain your manufacturing network, which takes time, money, and effort. Ultimately, this distracts companies from doing what they do the best, building and manufacturing products. This is where Xometry comes in. We have built a massive manufacturing network of over 10,000 manufacturers globally and 2,000 manufacturing workshops in Europe. Xometry connects the people with big ideas to the manufacturers who can bring them to life. With our AI-powered instant quoting engine, you can get quotes for your prototypes and production parts in just a few clicks. You can choose from over 15 manufacturing processes and hundreds of material and finishing combinations. All you need to do is get your quote, place your order, and Xometry takes care of the rest. From selecting the most experienced and accessible manufacturer, to performing quality inspections according to the required industrial standards, and having the parts delivered to you with the most reliable delivery services. Xometry makes it easy for engineers and purchasers at both small and large companies to tap into global manufacturing capacity and create resilient supply chains. From prototypes to serial manufacturing, build your products easily with Xometry, where big ideas are built.